And believe me, ladies, I can speak for the rest of the gang by saying we're lucky having you with us here tonight. And don't think we got you over here to weigh you down. No, sir, because you've been entertaining all over England, and tonight we're going to entertain you. So you can just sit there and relax and be beautiful. You girls, you. Now I'd like to introduce an officer and a gentleman who really helped put this thing on tonight. Lieutenant Dick Ryan.
You send me right out of this world. You send me. You give me that kick I never knew. You send me. You're making me know I'm living. Who wouldn't be living, loving you? When people shout, hey there, come out of your cloud. I just want to stay there, satisfied and starry-eyed, 'cause you send me right out of this world. But darling, there's one thing I hope you never do. Don't ever send me away from you.
When people shout, hey there, why don't you look where you're going? You better come out of your cloud.
I just want to stay there, satisfied and starry-eyed, 'cause you send me right out of this world. But darling, there's one thing I hope you never do. Don't ever send me away from you. You send me out of this.
Thanks a lot, Lieutenant. I got some news for you. You send me, too. And now I've had numerous requests to play a clarinet solo. You look surprised. Oh, yes, I used to play at the school band back home, pretty sharp, too. Do you mind if I borrow a clarinet?
Wonderful.
Thanks a lot. I'd like to play No Love, No Nothing, making the 8-ball in the side pocket at the same time.
Do you mind if I latch on with you?
Latch on with you.
Get groovy, rooty, zooty.
This guy don't talk English. Oh, you mean you want to play with me?
Love it.
Well, I'll tell you, Jim, it's not that I got anything against you, but you see, I don't just play the song strict. I take a lot of liberties with it. I do a chromatic scale going to a Dominic 7, finishing upon a high D above high C. Think you can handle that?
You mean like this?
Snaky sort of a guy, isn't he? His brother Tommy warned me about him. Thanks a lot. I'll play alone, if you don't mind. Would you give me a little introduction, please, Jimmie?
Tiny, tiny.
Thanks a lot. I'm ready now. Who do you have to know to play a solo around here?
Dave.
You mind if I play a little, too? You civilian, you? Oh, yes, when I do play, will the first three rows lean back a little? Because there's a fine spray comes out of this thing. Glad you're here.
What's going on behind that orchestra?
There's nothing going on behind the orchestra.
There's nothing going on in front of it either.
Look, don't get cute just because you're out there, kid. Don't think I can't reach you, you know. 1, 2, 3, and I'll jump all over you.
4, 5, 6, and you'll jump right off again, bud.
Are you showing off? Think you're cute because the girls are here? What are you, a big man because you're sitting next to a master sergeant? See your brother?
No, my brother's living.
That's nice. Look, you don't have to heckle me, kid. I'm trying to do my best, give the boys a little music.
You call that music? We got a cow at home that makes the same noise and gives milk besides.
Wow. Oh, boy. Some funny joke.
Yeah, it's one of my father's jokes.
What are you, one of your mothers?